upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit the best products against each other to help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones that promise big fun. The DroneEye F10 on the left and the LMRC-12 on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be a high-flying, action-packed comparison. Cut to split screen showing both drones. First up, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. The DroneEye F10 promises smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 has a 90 degrees adjustable angle and dual camera switching. It's like having two drones in one. According to reviewers, the DroneEye F10's camera quality is a mixed bag, with some users praising its clear video quality while others found it lacking. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 has received consistent praise for its good video quality given its price, making it a hit among beginners. Cut to footage from both drones' cameras. Next, let's dive into flight features. The DroneEye F10 can do stunts like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. It's basically the circus performer of drones. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 also has headless mode, one-key start landing, and even hand gesture controls. Did someone say Jedi drone? Reviewers have noted that the DroneEye F10 is fun but sometimes unpredictable, while the LMRC-12 is praised for its stable flight and ease of control. Cut to footage of each drone performing maneuvers. Now, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to fly. The DroneEye F10 is marketed as beginner-friendly, with features like one-key start, landing, and altitude hold. It's basically the drone equivalent of training wheels. According to reviews, it's generally easy to operate, but has had issues with syncing and control, especially for some new users. The LMRC-12, however, is also super user-friendly, with similar features like headless mode and altitude hold. Plus, it's got a brushless motor for a quieter, smoother flight. Reviewers say it's like the Tesla of drones, silent but deadly. Cut to footage of LMRC-12 in action. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty battery life. The LMRC-12 boasts a whopping 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite sitcom. Reviewers appreciate this extended flight time, making it ideal for longer adventures. The DroneEye F10 didn't quite specify its battery life, but let's just say you might want to keep a charger handy. Some reviewers have noted that the battery life can be a bit unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared. Cut to footage of LMRC-12 flying. Finally, let's talk extras. The DroneEye F10 comes with smart app controls, voice control, VR support, and custom flight paths. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. However, some reviewers have struggled with the app and found the extra features a bit tricky to use. The LMRC-12, however, has US certification and promises top-notch technical support. Plus, it's designed for kids aged 8 to 12, so it's practically a flying babysitter. Reviewers have found it to be reliable and appreciate the solid customer support. Cut to footage of LMRC-12 features. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. The DroneEye F10 is praised for its versatility and fun flight features, but has some issues with camera quality and control. The LMRC-12 is lauded for its impressive video quality, stable flight, and reliable customer support, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a stunt performer with tons of features, the DroneEye F10. But if you want a reliable, easy-to-use drone with longer flight time and solid support, the LMRC-12 is the way to go. Cut to split screen with both drones. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Outro music playing, screen fades to black with Buy Smart logo. Product links are in the description.